frame gazebo that we're gonna unbox. Alright, this is what it looks like in the picture. Maybe this is what it looks like in the picture. These are maybe added extras, I'm not sure until we unbox it. But here we go, let's get this thing open and see what we get for our money. Alright, so we tip it up. So it and there you are. That's what we get. Let's cut that off. Cut that off. We have some cable ties around them. Just rest that there for a minute. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. To be honest with you, they are your average. They're not heavy or cumbersome in any way. Fairly light. So if we just rest that one just over there. In here, I'll have to check it all out. Probably the side poles to cover those. Rest that there. This will be your main cover. Again, we'll have to check out any instructions and see. Rest that there. This is going to be the center bit at the top. Rest that there and see. This one joins the pole together or something. I'm not sure, but I'm going to work it out. It's got a letter H on it, so that should be an instruction. Put that there. And we have a number 4. Alright, so we put that also just there. Back in our box, we have a bag with IJK and so on labeled up, and bits and pieces for fitting it down. These, I am convinced, these are the pegs to hold it on the floor. So if we rest that there also, and under here is our instruction booklet. So with this you need to go through it as you do with any gadgets you buy. Make sure you have everything that is on there, and we flip through the pages. You get your instruction and how to put it all together. Alright, so we're going to use that. Let's see if we can put it together in a minute, but first let us finish with the unboxing. Okay, I didn't say that in the beginning, did it? I'll say it again in a minute. Okay, so if I put this to one side, we have, these are really light, really light. Alright, we have 2 of those. On here, you have like press in pins that will interlock with bits and pieces. We'll work it out as we go along also. And put that there. And put that over there. Number 2. Inside this box we have poles, F, 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 and they're all labeled. Press that just there. Coming out, but it's very windy. Come back here. This is our last package. What do we have in here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 poles. This is all exactly the same size as that, and those are labeled D. I just flip it over there because I'm not see no point in taking it all out until I'm ready to use it. We've got 8 of those. Let's put those back in there for a minute. And let's rest it down here. And that's the lot. Just a bit of packaging, stuff in the box. Squashing. Put my scissors out of the way. Close that up. Get it out of the way. So, ladies and gentlemen, basically, this is what you get for your money. Okay, so that's our unboxing. Until next time, from Tradespeople's Tips. See you later. Those who are robbing people, stop doing it. See ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Before I was gonna just leave it as it is, but as I start unpacking it, this bag here I was saying to you earlier on with all the letters on it of what's what. This is what we have. We have a bunch of screws, different size, or bolts, call them bolts, yeah? Bolts with screw heads. Yeah, Phillips bolt. And then we have the nuts in another bag, alright? And then this bag we have the caps for the nuts. Okay? Here we have 2 joiners, but what I've found is, see that damage there? Yeah, you could straighten it out with a pliers, but these are the things you look for when you're purchasing things. This is why you unpack everything first. Make sure you have everything and everything is in good working order. Those, like I said before, is to peg it down to the floor, tie it down with that bit of string somewhere somehow. That I did not look at in the thing. These are to join the corners together. It's all in the instruction. The instruction is very clear and very straightforward from what I've seen. But the only thing I don't like with this, not to be used in heavy rain and not to be used in heavy wind. It's gonna be a windy day. How heavy? Maybe gale force, whatever. Blow it away. Heavy rain, what's gonna happen? All your food's wet. It's not ideal, is it? Not built for purpose. It's just built for, it's like it needs another tent over it. Anyway, I'm gonna pack it all back up now. No point going any further until we've decided what we're gonna do about that. Okay, so again, see you later. I'll splice it in somewhere somehow.